Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download CapCut on a laptop. So I will be showing you at least two ways here on how to download CapCut on laptop. So first you can go to any web browser, for example Google web browser, and then type CapCut download PC. So you have to click for download CapCut for PC here. Now you have to click the very first link that you can see, tap on CapCut. And then here on this page, you will see options. And what you're going to do is you have to tap on download for free. Click on download for free. Once you tap this one, then you should see that it is now starting to download at the top right corner. Now, if you can't see that, so you have to tap on again this click here in order for you to see that it is now starting to download. So let me tap on click here and you should see that it is now starting to download at the top right corner. Now tap on the download folder. Once done, click CapCut and then tap run as administrator and then wait as it is installing. The second option is you just have to go to your Microsoft Store, click open, go to the search icon, and then this time you have to look for CapCut. And then once you found CapCut, all you have to do here is to tap on install and wait as it is installing. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Once done, you should see the open button and all you have to do is to tap on open. Now you have to go to your search menu and then type CapCut. Click run as administrator again, and then you should see that CapCut will just pop up on your screen and all you have to do to sign in to start using CapCut. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.